Okay. So yeah, this is the app. So the goal of this, obviously I didn't submit a video for part one. So I guess I kind of have to explain what the purpose of this is and explain the code as well. And then obviously let's you know run it afterwards. Okay, so the goal of this is to educate users on threats, like phishing and about password security through an interactive interface. It uses object-oriented programming, OOP, delegates for sentiment analysis, and generic collections for memory management. Okay, so the core of this logic lies inside here, the chatbot class. As you can see, we have the sentiment delegate initialized. Um, Still can't remember which it is, but yeah. Anyways, so I have used the dictionary called user memory to store information like the user's name. This allows the bot to remember who it's currently conversing with or chatting with, connected with. Um, and then I used a list called phishing tips to store security advice, which the bot can pull from, whenever, it needs to. And it can use this variety and in that it's not using one response for for all of it. Um, and then I have the get response engine down here, which takes the input and it uses the sentiment delegate to, well, to get the sentiment of the message. So what it does is it uses keyword recognition to see, you know, what what um what the user wants to know. So in terms of pass for password, if the person wants to know how to make the password more secure, it'll give them a tip about that. And yeah, it has quite a few key phrases here. And then we also have our play voice message method, which has not been working recently, but we will sort that out at some point. And then there is the XAML file. This is what, well, it handles the user interface. Um, it also has a process method that will then process any messages sent to the bot. It also has a check sentiment method to, change sentiment when necessary. Uh, Also using keywords that it'll pick up from the chat. So now let's try running it if this thing decides to get out of the way. Come on, there we go. Okay, so we'll start off with just giving it a name. And I guess I want to know a few tips. Okay, now let's see, password. Okay, let's see another phishing tip. Okay, let's say curious. Curious tips. Okay, and that's the bot working. But unfortunately, we don't have the recording working as of yet. I don't know why. I figure I have to move it to a different area, but get to that when I get to that, I guess.